In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal information in Fresha, and it should only take a few minutes of your time. Whether you've changed your last name, want to update your email address, or simply need to make some edits to your login details, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's begin by heading over to your Fresha dashboard. You can do this by logging into your account if you haven't already. Now, once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to locate the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see either your initials or perhaps a photo, depending on what you have set for your profile. Go ahead and click on that. It's basically your doorway to personalizing your settings. With a click, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select Personal Settings. This section is your go-to spot for customizing and ensuring all your information is accurate and up to date. Once you're in the Personal Settings area, you'll see various options related to your personal and security settings. This is where the magic happens. To begin editing your personal info, you'll need to find and click on the Personal Info section. Once inside, look for the Edit tab under the Contact section. Clicking this tab will open a window where you can update the specific details you need to change. If you're updating your first or last name, here is where you will do it. Simply locate the fields for first name and last name and type in the new information you want to display. Just make sure you double-check what you've written. It's always good practice to ensure that everything is spelled correctly and that no mistakes slip through. After you've made your changes, direct your attention to the Save button. It's usually located at the bottom of the form or on the right side. Clicking Save ensures that all your new details are securely stored in your profile. You should see a confirmation message, which signifies that your new information is now active. And that's it. Updating your personal info in Fresha is as simple as that. Taking the time to ensure your information is correct not only helps in keeping things tidy, but also ensures you receive all the necessary communications promptly. Remember, maintaining up-to-date personal settings is a good habit to stay organized and professional. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this guide useful and straightforward.